Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and staying indoors, staying safe. So let's start with the video very shortly, and I have really short information to give you guys. So why not? I thought it give it a simple short to this video and be simple as always, and let's be a little short in this one. So starting with the video, I am here to talk about ways to tighten your skin. Yes, it is so important that when you start with your aging, you realize your skin is losing its elasticity. All right, every age has its own skin elasticity. May be your childhood, your young age, or your old age, or you entering after 50s. So yes, your skin does have anti-aging. So yes, you need to know that very clearly. And today I am talking about exactly about this topic is how to tighten your skin. All right, things you need to tighten your skin, or the things you need to do to have a tightened skin is first, coconut oil. Yes, what does a coconut oil do? It not only tightens your skin, but it also gets back into its own elasticity, its own shape of your face, actual shape of your face, which you had loosened a bit, which you notice that you had loosened its elasticity, and it gives that back. Secondly, coconut oil also nourishes your skin cells. It does open your pores, but not in a negative way, but in a positive way instead. So you all can use the coconut oil, and for moisturizer, coconut oil is best for the skin. Secondly, vitamin E capsules and glycerin, or glycerin you can use, yes. So yes, many people have said, and it is believed by the studies, that glycerin is the best for the skin tightening, as it has a thick consistency and a thick oil consistency, which takes time. The cons that it has is it takes a lot of time to get absorbed into the skin. I do agree with that fact, but vitamin E capsules and glycerin are considered to be the best for skin tightening because of its own. Uh, yes, the whole thing is seen in the thing, right? Like it has a thick consistency, so it's obvious that it's going to give up your um, anti-aging very soon. So let's try that. Third thing which tighten your face skin or your body skin is the aloe vera gel. Yes, the aloe vera gel is equally very important to tighten your skin. Whenever, for me, this is my personal experience, and I talk about it right now, that whenever I have used aloe vera gel, maybe it of Lakme one or any brand that I have purchased the aloe vera gel of, so whenever I have applied the aloe vera gel onto my face, I always felt that it leaves your skin a little wetty first, and when the mixture is dried up, okay, at the end when it is dried up, the aloe vera gel is all dried up on your face, you feel a little skin a little sticky. Yes, it sticks to your fingertips a little, and it also feels you a little tightened. So yes, aloe vera gel is basically the natural aloe vera that you abstract from the plant, which you bring out the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant, and then you apply it, making a paste, and use it. You will automatically feel that the skin has tightened all your pores. It is best for tightening pores especially, and you will automatically feel when it's the mixture is dried up, and you will automatically feel that the gel is really good at tightening your skin. Getting back to the fourth one is the rice water. This is the most recommended thing on YouTube by bloggers, on makeup artists, and a lot of dermatologists, that rice water does help tighten your skin. It is very true. You can either do it, which is running right now, the rice water ice cubes. You can just remove the rice water, all right, by rinsing the rice at first only with the water that comes out from the rice. You all can just remove that water out and just set it into the ice cubes and just put it in the freezer for almost 5 to 6 hours, so that it gets freezed nicely, and then you can apply on your skin for tightening your skin and pores. The fifth thing I'm gonna say is the lemon or the orange juice. Yes, orange juice consumption as a drink is the most effective thing for skin tightening. It is a vitamin C in it, because it has citric acid just like lemon has it. So it is equally very important to have lemon and the orange juice. Yes, orange juice also helps you to hydrate your skin, and also to hydrate your body throughout the day when you have not had a glass of water also, so it just covers up all the hydration throughout your day. So yes, it is the best thing, lemon, because it has the same properties just like the orange juice has it, because it's got citric acid just like orange juice has it. Okay, so yeah, it has citric acid, which is not so good for the skin, but you can directly, when you apply directly, be careful that it doesn't reach to your eye contact, because it is going to give you eye burn into the skin. So just to avoid more further infections or more further fungal kind of a thing, fungus kind of a thing, so just avoid contact with the eyes. The rest of the areas you can apply it on the skin. And lemon does tighten your skin pores as well. It is the best because it's got citric acids. So lemon and the orange juice are the best things to tighten your pores especially, so it is the best. Yes. Coming to the green tea, you all can make green tea ice cubes, just like I said to make for the rice water. You all can use the same technique doing at home for green tea as well. You all can make ice cubes and a freezer for almost, as said for earlier, rice water ka. You all can freeze it for almost 4 to 5 hours in the freezer, and then just remove the ice cubes and just apply with them. Just cover it with a cloth and then apply, or you can even directly wash your face and directly apply onto your face. You all can do that. Yes. So the seventh thing which is beneficial for skin tightening is the eggs. Yes, you all have heard me right. Egg whites are known as properties having a lot of protein into it, as everybody know in this world. And the egg yolk, we are mainly talking about the egg yolk. Yes, it does smell a lot and it smells really disgusting. I know that I cannot just comment or criticize on any food here or any food product here, but yes, to be personally noticing this thing, I do not have eggs, but yes, I do know its properties. Like egg yolk has a really strong particles into it that holds and freezes something. Okay, it's a base. It works as a base. Like you can, when you apply that onto the skin, you feel really tight. Like it does feel a little sticky and a glue kind of a feeling to you on your face, but when it is dried up, it is all tightened. And make sure you do not move while applying egg yolk on your face, because it's going to cause you wrinkles and fine lines and hyperpigmentations and stuff, and also rest of the anti-aging properties on your face. So do not try to move your face or do any activity related to your face, laughing or whatever. Just do avoid doing that. So yes, the eighth point we go to is the milk or the yogurt. Yes, yogurt is also really good, hence it nourishes and also moisturizes your face. And it does give you natural oils from it. We produce natural oils from it because it's got calcium in it. Calcium is also a nice source for your skin. And you can also use milk for cleansing. I will be doing this cleansing video very very soon on the YouTube channel very soon. And yeah, the last point we go to is the ninth point, all right, and it is about potatoes. From all of these points, potato is considered to be the best for skin tightening, the best. The reason why I'm saying the best, specifying it so much, the word specifying so much, is because you can, boil a potato, or you can just use it raw and grind the potato and remove the extract juice from the potato, and then freeze it for 4 to 5 hours, and then after freezing you can directly apply onto your skin. Hence said the examples like rice water ice cube and green tea ice cubes. You all can do the same technique for potato juice as well. Potato juice is so good for under eye and any area that you have on the face that has pigmentations, or you do have little dark tone areas. It is so good to remove that hyperpigmentation. Secondly, it does really tighten all your blood cells into one, and it gathers up and gets so really well tight in your face. And this is really good for skin tightening, so you all can, yes, definitely prefer this one doing at home. So these are all the simple techniques you all can do at home and easy ways to tighten your pores and also tighten your skin. So I'm going to mention it again, which tightens your pores as well and also your face skin. See, rice water does tighten your skin pores as well, along with your skin obviously. Lemon has citric juice, and even the orange juice has citric acids. These both have the citric acid in it, so it's going to obviously heal your open pores and tighten them. That's it, I guess. For under eye, the best technique is to apply potato juice, so that your under eye is cured with hyperpigmentation. If you have a lot of dark circles, please guys, please, I recommend you strongly to use potato, raw potato, not boiled potato, sorry. to use raw potato and extract the juice from it and directly apply as an ice cube, freezing it for some hours and then applying directly onto your face, or directly you can also use the juice, adding some amount of aloe vera gel into it, and you all can make a paste or a under eye cream, or you can use it as a pack, as an under eye pack, and use it overnight and rinse it in the morning. And also you can leave it for 30 minutes or whatever time you feel like to keep. You all can keep it for some time on your face and then rinse it off, and do this on regular basis if you mainly have dark circles and are really trying hard for the techniques to remove your dark circles. So yes, this is the best way to remove that. I will sign off from this video and will be coming back very very soon with another one. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves, eating really healthy, having homemade food only, and restricting a lot for outside food, ordering less food, having less junk food, just for your health first, and prioritizing your health first. You need to stay home mainly. So yes, stay home, stay indoors, stay safe, and take care of yourselves. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Signing off. Bye.